In today's video, you will learn how to lock and protect Microsoft Word documents. To start, open your document and go to the File tab located at the top left corner. From here, look for the Info section, which contains options to manage your document security and permissions. Within the Info area, you will see a button labeled Protect Document. Click on that to reveal several protection options. One of the simplest ways to secure your document is by adding a password. Select the option that says Encrypt with Password. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a password. Choose a strong password that you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. After typing it in, you will be prompted to confirm it by entering the password again. Once confirmed, click OK. From this point on, anyone trying to open your document will need to enter this password, which keeps your content private and safe. If your goal is to restrict editing rather than access, choose the option labeled Restrict Editing instead. This opens a sidebar where you can limit the types of changes others can make. For example, you can allow only track changes, comments, or prevent any changes entirely. After setting your restrictions, click on Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. You will then be prompted to enter a password to enforce these settings. This prevents others from turning off protection without your permission. Another option is Mark as Final, which signals to readers that the document is complete and discourages further editing. This doesn't technically lock the file, but is useful when sharing finalized versions to prevent accidental changes. It's important to remember that while password protection helps secure your document, you should keep your passwords safe and not share them with unauthorized users. Also, note that if you forget your password, it can be difficult or impossible to recover access, so choose wisely. With these steps, you can easily lock your Word. Document for viewing only or restrict editing to protect your work. This ensures that your content remains secure and maintains its intended format. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to protect your documents effectively. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.